1, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Bob Dylan. Times are a-changin'. In G major, standard tuning. And the song is in 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's go over the chords first. We've got G major, second finger, third pinky, E minor, second, third, C major, 1, 2, 3. Goes back to G there, and then we have G, E, to D, D major, 1, 2, 3, and then we have again G, E, C, G, and then we have A minor, 1, 2, 3, and then we have like a little walk down from D. Let's go over that when we get to it. So this song is pretty straightforward, except he stays a little bit longer at certain places. So you gotta listen to his vocals basically, but let's go over it. So it's G, starts on G, G, E minor, C, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G, E minor, C, and D. We have that walk down D, C over D, C over D, I guess, B over D. So that's like that. Just move your second finger and keep this guy. So third fret A string and second fret A string. And then it ends with the times. G, D, G, G first, E minor, C to G to D, 1, E minor, G, C to D, G major, E minor, C to D, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G, the places that he normally stays longer or shorter is so G, E, C major G, and that G, that could be 2 or 3 or 4 times. And then he goes G, E, D, G, E, C, D. That's always the same. And then we got G, E, C, G again. And then this could be 3 or 4. And then we go G to A. That's always the same. And this is always the same. Verse. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Yeah, so if you just sing this song by yourself, you can do whatever you want. But if you play along with the track, that's what it is. It's changed like that. And when he plays the harmonica, that's changing too a little bit. It could be G, E, C, G, or sometimes it start on the D. So you got to listen to those changes. All right, folks. But keep it simple. Great song, and I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Thanks for watching.